5 pieces of money math that sound illegal? None of them are. Count them down with me. 2 friends, same salary, same fund, same monthly amount. One starts at 20, one starts at 30. Watch this. The late starter invests for 35 years. The early starter invests for 45. 10 extra years, same monthly money. At 65, the early starter has roughly double. Not double the deposits, double the wealth. That's compounding. The late starter can even invest more each month and still lose. The early money did decades of silent work. Time is not money. Time is more than money. Start small, start now, and let the math carry you. Illegal sounding math number 2. The 1% that eats a quarter of your wealth. 1% sounds like a tip. Over a working lifetime, it's a quarter of your retirement. Here's the math. 2 identical portfolios, same deposits, same market returns. One pays 1% in fees every single year. After 35 years, the low-cost fund grows to about a third more. The gap is 6 figures. The fee didn't take 1% of your money. It compounded against you every year for decades. Check the expense ratio on every fund you own. Fees compound exactly like returns, just against you. Number 3. The income that makes you poorer on payday. A dividend is the only income that makes you poorer on payday. Sounds illegal. It's just math. When a company pays a dividend, its share price drops by roughly that amount. Nothing was created. Your money moved from one pocket to another, and in a taxable account, the tax office took a slice. House Stowing's about to henty part Lurstin's report into his truth. High yields often belong to struggling companies whose falling prices make the percentage look attractive. That's a trap. Judge investments by total return. Growth plus payouts together. Yield alone tells you almost nothing. Number 4. Your bank's 23% gap. Your bank pays you 0.5% on savings and charges you 24% on the credit card. Same bank, same money. A 23.5% gap working against you in both directions. They lend your deposit out at many times what they pay you. That spread is the business model. It's not stealing. You signed both forms, but you don't have to keep both deals. Clear the card first, always. Then move idle savings somewhere that actually pays. The gap is optional. And number 5, the safest money you own is melting. Your emergency fund feels safe. It's quietly losing about a quarter of its value every decade. Watch. Inflation around 3% shrinks buying power every year, even while the account number never moves. 10,000 sitting in a near-zero account buys roughly a quarter less after 10 years. Keep an emergency fund sized to your job stability, usually 3 to 6 months of expenses, no more. Everything beyond the buffer belongs in assets that outgrow inflation. Idle money is melting money.